Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever your time zone is. Welcome to Hello ASI, and this is our weekly training. We'll be discussing for today will be Google PMax Campaign primary to advanced level. I'm introducing our trainer Abdullah, who will take over the floor to explain what it is about. Welcome,
Hi
Abdullah.
everyone. Thank you. Hi everyone. Thank you Asi for giving the chance to introduce the Googlers, also the running, also teaching the performance max camping that I know. So in the first session of this class, I will discuss about the few things of Googlers before running any camping, so that we can understand few terms, what's their uses and how they work and the benefits and other things. So first of all, I want to say, or I want to discuss about the what is Googlers. I think you all of us you know about the Googlers. So the definition I also given on the slide. I am just going to brief my own words. Googlers is the things or the platform that where people can show their ads or their products informations with paid, or with paid on the top on the Google or other marketplace. So by the Googlers we can show our product informations, also our service basis informations on the top, that was not ranked already on the Google by organically. We can show those on the top on the Google by Googlers. Basically there are many things in the Googlers, or one is very important thing is the Googlers network. So what is the Googlers network? The Googlers network refer that the program or the website or the apps are displaying or show ads of the people. How they displaying or show apps, show the ads, like there is a two category. If I go to the next slide, you'll see that Google Ads network, there is a two category of Google Ads network. One is the website and another is the apps. So website, this is a website, right? Like Google is a website. Also, like if I see the ClickBus, like ClickBus is a website. This is available on the Google, and you will see that there are a few ads will show here, or some information will share. Like this is the ads are showing here from our country. So this is the website. Those will be available on the Google by Googlers, and also apps. I think you are used on the apps ads, like whenever you use ads like Ludo or something, apps, gaming apps you are playing, sometimes you will notice that some ads will be visible on the apps. So this is the apps platform. One is the or ad network, one is the website network. So if I go to the next slide, Googlers, this is the very few important terms we need to know before running or working on the Googlers. First is the CPC, cost per click. So cost per click means that, like I'm watching this ad on the Googlers or Google. So if I click here, uh, the advertiser need to cost few things, because by the ads I have visited their website, like checking their products and other things. So advertiser must need to pay something for the clicks, or the activity of the or the event of the audience. Like this is called as the CPC, cost per clicks, CPC. Another is the cost per milli. That means the cost per cost per for thousand impression or traffic. Basically milli is the Italian or Francis word, but on the Google CPM means the uh, cost per thousand, CTP, like. Okay, so when there are also like Kriegsbus Kriegsbus website. This is share showing also few displays, like this is those are the ads. We can cut them by ads by Google ads Google's. So like whenever a partner website or partner network website show Google Ads, the partner website will generate the 68% revenue from the Google for the Google Ads, and Google will take the 32% for the ads. That means partner website for showing the ads will take 68%, and Google will take 32% for the ads. Here is the also information I given. You can check from here. Also, Google Partner Network. There are two type of Google Partner Network. One is the Search Partner Network. One is the Display Partner Networks. Here is the name. Search Partner Network is YouTube, Amazon, W3 Schools, Arcs.com, etc. are the partner networks, and also the Display Network. We are showing the products or product informations, all the ads informations is the Display Network. Like this is the Display Network. We are showing the informations. Now, if I go to the next slide, Google Partner Network, here is the questions. Is Google Search Network and Partner Network are same? No, those are not same. Like here are I also given some information for the Google Search Network, like Google.com, Google Play Store, Google Maps. It is the Google Search Network. Partner Network is the YouTube, Amazon, the New York Times, W3 School. It's a, go to the next slide, like Google Earth. Type of Google Earth. There are many types in the Google Earth. One is the text search, PPC search, searches based on the your service, business, and other things. Google search it. Basically, one more thing. Okay, this is the Google search it. So, how Google search it work? I mentioned that there are many type of camping, search camping, smart camping, and performance max camping, shopping camping. Others there are also many types. So this is the Google search it. How Google search it work? Like if I select a keyword like watch for friends, suppose this is a keyword. So if I search it Google, mm, like if I search it from United States, I am searching from United States. You'll see that there is a sponsored. I search by a keyword watch for men, and here showing some ads. This is the search it. I think you understand my point. This is the search it, and you will see that here is the title or headline. Here is the description of the product of the advertiser. So here is also few things, like here is given some brands, contact informations, and other things. If I go next one, you will see that Amazon also is sponsoring the ad here for the watches. This is the attribute Amazon attribute ads, and here is the another company showing the ads on the third position. So this one is the this person is going to the first position. Amazon is the second, and this is the third. Peekaboo is the fourth. They are getting organically for this keyword. Also, those are the organic, but you will see that the first three one is the paid sponsored, first three one. So this is the search it. Whenever I search from a keyword, this is the search it. Okay, so search it. There are many advertiser run ads on the keyword for specific locations, geographic locations for the search it. I just show you the United States, a search it from United States by keyword. So whenever a person run ads with the specific keywords is called a search ad. Like if I run ads for this uh, sorry for this keyword only, this is called a search ad. In the search there are many part are available. One is display path, another is headline, description, extension, and rating. So I am just showing of them. Display path. Display path means the where what will be the URL. This is the display path. Sorry, it will not be clickable. So this is the display path. And headlines. This is the headlines. Headline must be within the 30 character for each headline. Here is the two combination of headlines. Like if I copy this, you will understand that here is 33. So here are two headline used is combined of the one headline. Google understand that those will be the combination of one. I will also show you how to run the campaign with this headline. Also the description sessions, you will see that this is the description session. Description session will not be more than 90 character. You can use five description sessions. Here someone has, Google is showing two. So here is the 90 characters someone has used, and two description are showing in the same time on the ads. Also for the extension session, here the extension like contact us, call us, call now, those the extension sessions has used. Rating sometimes. mm, Sorry. So sometimes you will see that here are some ratings. This is the rating sessions. I think you can understand the rating sessions. So here is the review of almost 2500 customers. The rating session is 4.5. This is one of the extension. You need to enable these
Hey
sessions.
Abdullah, sorry to
Yeah.
cut you off. Can you share your whole screen? I think you're navigating something that we can't see other than the PowerPoint.
Sorry. So
It's all right. We were only seeing the PowerPoint. Are you navigating anything else other than the PowerPoint?
understand. So everything has messed up.
You can click present and then share your screen, and then the entire screen. Click entire screen.
Yeah. Previously, I have done this, but you told me to share only the slide. Okay, so should I continue from the initial stage?
Yeah, you can pick up from where you left off.
So should I continue from here or should I continue from the initial stage?
You can continue where you left off.
Okay, so I was on the example of the search campaign by a keyword. Like I think there was the miscommunication on the screen sharing. So here maybe seeing only the slide. So I just showing was this campaign. Like this is the uh, click path, and this is the headline, and this is the ad copy. So I told that there are multiple headline can use, but one headline will not be more than 30 character. So you will see that here is the 32 character with two headlines. 31 maybe, yeah, 31 with two headlines, but the advertiser has used two headlines. Here Google just combine them with one. And also you will notice that there are also two description session. Description will not be more than 90 characters. You can give your information within 90 character. Here is the 92, no, not, yeah, 89 characters. One is, this is the one description, and this is another descriptions. In the description section, you will must mind that whenever you run the search campaign, give the purchase intent keywords like shop now, buy now, purchase now, like this type of keyword. This is the this will, if you run the run the ads for the e-commerce products, you can use those purchase type intent keywords that will be more helpful for increase the conversion or sales. Okay, so mm, extension and rating. So here is the rating session. I think for the miscommunication of the screen, you didn't understand the rating session. Here is the rating, Amazon rating. You can also enable the rating for your products, but for enabling the rating for your product, you need to purchase third party tools from Google or uh, your platform that you're using, like Shopify, WordPress. But after purchasing this, you need to enable those lists, enable the rating on the Google Merchant Center. This is another thing I will discuss about this later. Landing page is that which page you are using for showing or driving your customer for your website. This is the landing page. Suppose the this is the keyword, or this is the keyword they're showing their home page for as a landing page. I think understand the point. Also navigations, CTA, call to actions, UI UX. This was the part of the ads. We need to show those call to actions. Like call to action means you'll whenever we run the camping for selling product, like you'll see that here is the shopping or performance max camping. So there is the buy now shop now words, mm, like button types. Whenever you see the ads on the YouTube, like if I show you that or show you YouTube ads for the products, like mm, here is a visit site. This is a ads sponsor. Here is the visit site. This is a call to actions. Call to actions for the e-commerce products. Most of the time we use call to action as order now, shop now, buy now. This times for the service basis, call now, visit us, contact from, like this type, leave these types of words. I think you understand the call to actions. UI UX is the another part that how ads will be displayed on the Google and other network sites. So there is the good things for the ads. There is the very important things, also the good things. Quality score. What is the quality score? Quality score is that basically you will understand by example. I given it here. I will also discuss the quality score by the example. So now I'm telling what is the quality score. Quality score that whenever you are running ads like watch for men USA or watch men's watches for sales, whenever you run the ads, if the product is relevant with you, then you will get a quality score on Google. Like I'm just showing you on a camping what is the quality score. Like basically for the search camping, quality score are given for the products or the for the keywords. So you go to the search camping, go to the camping, click on the columns, then uh, quality scores, select the quality score sessions, and here is the bar. Here is the quality score. For two keywords, one is for 8, another is for 2. So carbide tools quality score 2, and cobra carbide is 8. So whenever your quality score more than 7 8, it's good. But whenever it's less than 5 4 3, is very poor and your cost will be higher. You will not generate uh, sufficient audience by the keyword, but you will get audience or traffic by the keyword if you increase the CPC. So if you increase the CPC, then it will give on the first page or the top page. I also show you example how can it's calculate for the quality score. Quality score depend on many things. One is the ad copy relevancy. That means the ad copy you are writing on your campaign, if it's relevant, if it's relevant with you, like this is the ad copy. This is the ad copy, like ad copy. This is the description sessions, this is the headline sessions. So you need to use the keyword in the description session or also the headline sessions, then it will be the relevance, like relevance of the keyword on the ad copy first. Second is keyword relevancy. Keyword must be relevant with the like landing page. Keyword must be relevant with the landing page. That means whenever you're driving the traffic on the landing page, those keyword be must be available on the landing page. So it will be the responsible for increasing the quality score. Also, click through rate. Whenever you run the ads, if people just check, like here is the impressions, one of the impression, but I didn't click on one of them. So whenever you see but didn't click on those ads, then it will be also responsible for the quality, increasing the quality score. Click through rate is one of the part of quality score. Historical performance, that means previous in the like previous times you have used the ads, but the result was not sufficient, like quality score and other things, and purchase goals and behavior of the audience and visit of the audience of the keywords. It will also impact on the quality score. I also show you an example. Before going showing the example, I also discuss few things that cannot be used on the Google Earth, like those type of words. First of all, one is the those type of word cannot use, or policy violent word on the Google. First rule, sexual content about you cannot use. Also, you cannot use the sexual content type images, videos. Don't. Second is the adult content you cannot use. You cannot sell weapons like knife, gun types of images. Keyword you cannot use on the Google. Medical type, like supplementary sometimes sales, but medicine types drugs that cannot be sell on the Google. Human disability, like those type of keyword you cannot use. Trademark issue, like trademark you are selling mm, iPhone cover, iPhone 15 cover. If you use the word iPhone word in your Google Ads, it will be show you the restrictions or the policy violent issue. You cannot sell any other product without taking the like GTN UPC or the taking permission of them. So this is also the issue on the Google Ads. Policy violence words, there are lots of policy violence words. I will give you the link. What's the policy violence violence content, you can check from here. So how ads action work. So like I told you that quality score is very important part for showing the ads on the top. So here is the three keywords. One is the A jewelry, B jewelry, C jewelry. So for A jewelry I use $5 per click, maximum clicks. For the maximum click I use $5. For B jewelry I use 7, C jewelry I use 3 or 4. So A jewelry 5, B 7, C. So who will show in the top? Also there are some quality score, like for A jewelry quality, A jewelry CPC was 5 I used, and for the B7 C4. But for the A jewelry quality score 8, B jewelry quality score 5, C jewelry quality score is 9. So who will be the top on the Google? Like whenever search, here is the summers, first one, second one, third one. So who will be the top? How can we understand this? Excuse me. So first position will be the you just calculate like 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 7, 35. Those are quality score is good. Like this quality score good, but CPCs lower like 9 into 4, 36. So you'll see that the quality score 8, but he use CPC 5. For this season he will be on the top, he will be the second, he will be the third, because he he use high CPC but quality score very poor. For this season he will be the third. He use $5 but quality score is 8, but due to the good quality score he will be the first. But he if he use 4.25, then he will be the first, but he use 4 point but quality score 9, he will be the second. I think you understand the point. So quality score is the very important thing for maintaining the CPC course of the airs. So for maintaining the quality score, we need to follow those informations, and we can calculate the quality score or the ad score or ad position by the equations. Like here is the ad jewelry, and you can check it from here. I also give the equation how ads are displayed on the top by the equation. Also here is also some important terms in the ads. One is the for impressions, reach, click, CPC, CTR. Impression is whenever customer search by a keyword, he see the product, there is the impressions. I didn't click but I see the products, this is the impressions. All of the uh, first pages product are impression for me because those are available but I didn't click or didn't see. This is the impressions. And reach, impressions means whenever I see the product. Reach means they has come but I didn't see or check. This is the reach. Click, I think you understand the click. Whenever I click here, this is the click, count as a click. I did it without click here, it is not will count as a click. CPC, that means whenever I click, the cost will be the CPC, cost per click. CTR, click keyword, I see the product, like 100 people see this product, only this product, but 1 or 2% has click. That means click through rate. So click through rate will be the 2%. That means impressions into 100, that will be the calculation of the click through rate. Now Google Ads structure is the campaign structure, not a Google Ads structure. So first log into the account. So this is the account sessions, then camping. A camping can be the multiple ad groups. Ad groups have the multiple ads. This is the Google Ads structure. So camping, ad group have to the multiple ads. Okay, camping types. What is the camping types of on Google? One is the website traffic. That means the brand consideration is just there is a 3 or 4 stages on the like for the e-commerce business and other business. I also discuss with them. One is, so camping time for the website traffic, that will be the consideration. Like whenever you have run a new business or e-commerce business or anything service business, you need to bring the traffic in your website first. This is the traffic ads or the traffic, website traffic or visitors. That will be the as a considered stage. So second is the lead generation, B2B business. Basically for the B2B business, we most of the time do the lead generations, camping, like bulk for selling the bulk information, bulk product. We sometimes need to be need lead generations for the B2B sellers. Also display campaigns. I think you know the display campaigns. I also give the example previously for the display campaign. Like this is the display campaign. Stepio, I think you know about this Stepio. This is the email marketing platform. Mm, for the display camping, by the display camping, we can increase the awareness. That means the brand awareness. Also the considerations. That means people will think what then we need to do, like want to purchase or something. Also decisions. Consideration decisions are in the display camping can be more effective. Search camping is the consideration stage, and the decision stage. By the consideration, they can take the consideration of their product on to purchase, and decision also they can take the decision that will be the best suit for their actions or their events. Video campaigns, by the video campaigns we can increase the brand awareness of any products or any brands or any business. Also consideration and decisions part of the by the campings. And shopping camping and performance max camping are almost same, not same. Performance max camping more smarter, but shopping camping, by the shopping camping we can take the decision what will be the best suit or best product for us. Basically, by the shopping camping we just only sell e-commerce product. So this is only the decision part or the of the product. Okay, so now go to the second sessions. There are also many types of camping, like amp campings, awareness and considerations, discover campings, smart camping, local camping, remarketing camping, colony only camping. So remarketing camping, I'm just discussing few of them. Remarketing camping, whenever you have the sufficient audience in your website, like you are using tech manager and GA4. By the tech manager GA4 you have retargeting all of the audience to Google Ads, then you can do the remarketing camping. And for the local camping, you want to sell your or give your business in the local basis, then you can run the local basis, local area basis camping. Smart camping without goals, like you want to give some information that you have 20% off your in your store, or you have give the service for 20%, 50% off, then you can run the smart camping based on your zip code. So I also give some camping here. I think you understand this. uh, in the Googlers there is a good sessions. Location and language. Location is the we can select the location based on this country basis, select city, region, postcode and radius. So you can take the take you can select your audience or the locations based on this. And also you can select your languages. There is the on the setting sessions you can check from here. uh, Keyword research. Whenever you run the camping, like search camping especially, search camping, for running the search camping we need to research keyword properly. Like the keyword thing, like this is the keyword I search, man watches sales. So this is a relevant keyword for selling your product. Like here are also giving some suggestion: luxury men's watches for sales, cleanliness sales. This is the keyword. So before running the ads you need to research your keyword properly. So how can you research the keyword? I also show you how to research the keyword. So I just showing that before researching keyword you need to remember the brainstorming the of the user. How can they search? Brainstorming means this is the keyword, like man watch. This is the suppose this is the keyword, but you are using the keyword in your ads. Man watches sales, that means who want to purchase the product, he will search by the, or he use here purchase. Here is a purchase, you just giving the purchase. That means the people who will search by for purchase man's watch, his behavior or his intention is that he want to purchase the product. So before researching any keyword thing as a like purchaser or as a user, then you will understand that what is the brainstorming of the audience. Then brand terms. Suppose you are selling, you are a good brand iPhone, sorry, suppose iPhone 13 Pro Max. So one second. Here you'll see that organically iPhone is showing here. So this is the brand type keyword. So whenever iPhone run the ads, like this is the brand type keyword. In the keyword, brand name will be used. This is the brand mesh or brand type keyword or brand terms. So whenever you use your brand name, then it's brand mesh keyword or brand term keywords in the keyword. Competitor terms, like Samsung is today selling iPhone. Suppose then Samsung has taken the iPhone word on your store on your ad. I think understand the point. This is the competitor terms. Relevant terms. Relevant term means we are taking the relevant terms of your product, like mm, the first keyword was purchase man watches. Purchase man watches. Then you can use the purchase man watches. mm, you just remove the watch, then click here clock. That means this is the relevant term. Same product or same type of product are showing. Okay, so here I give some example of keyword research intent. So some keyword are informational, some are commercial, some are transactional, navigational. So information, I think you know the informational keywords. Information is a how, why, what, or tutorial, those type of informational. So whenever you research keyword, you must remember that those are the informational. So if you throw some information to the audience, then you can use the informational keyword. But if you're commercial business or e-commerce business, then you need to think as it differently. Like transactional keyword you can select: buy, cheap, for sale, online, download, sign, digital course. Those are the transactional intent buying behavior. For the commercial based, review, product, service name, those type of keyword can be the first in the initial stage of the first stage, or the first pre. You can use the pre suffix of the on the keyword when- whenever you research the keyword. And for the brand awareness, you can use your website name on the brand awareness on the camping on the first session of the keyword. Like you are running a watch brand, purchase watch brand. Suppose your brand name is ABC main clock. That means it will be the increase the brand awareness from the keywords. And for researching keyword, if it's your e-commerce business, you need to follow those words, like cheap, best price, comparison, near me, affordable, reasonable price. Those can be the good solution for the researching the keywords. And I also give another example how can research the keyword. Here you can check, you can find the best keyword from here, like best iPhone cover, best or the compare Asus laptop, buy iPad, buy Asus Genebox. Those are the transactional commercial. And here is the informationals, like mm, Chicago rent prices informationals. And here is the navigation, how to find my business, how to, like this type of navigation. Okay, keyword research. I also give another session of the keyword research here, so you can check the informations for the keyword research. Now I'm going to the keyword mesh type. I think you all of you know that about keyword mesh type. Basically, on the keyword mesh type, like if I go to the keyword like man watches, suppose this is the keyword. So if I search it, man was is showing here, like. So there are three types of keyword mesh type. One is the phrase mesh, broad mesh, and exact mesh. What is the phrase mesh, broad mesh, phrase mesh, and exact mesh? Remove the, just forget the third and fifth. Broad, modifier, and match and navigation. Forget those three, but remember the broad, phrase, and exact. So broad mesh means whenever you are using this keyword as a broad mesh, then if customer search by the keyword, he'll see your business or products. If customer search only by the watches, he will also see the product. If customer or the audience search only by men's, he will also see the product. This is the broad mesh. What is the broad mesh? You are using three words in your keyword: men's, watches. If someone searches by watches, he'll see the product. If someone searches by men's, he will also see the product. That means the all of the word will be the keyword in the broad mesh keyword. For big business, new business, not big business, big business, they use the broad mesh keyword. Broad mesh keyword is not sufficient good sometimes. Sometimes sufficient good, sometimes sufficient is not good, because here is the number of the audience and traffic will increase. Sometimes sales is not increased by the broad mesh keyword. So I always suggest to use the phrase mesh keyword. What is the phrase mesh keyword? You'll see that there is the inverted comma in the phrase mesh keyword. So whenever I use inverted comma in the keyword first session and last session, it is the called the phrase mesh keyword. How they can use. So whenever someone is searched by, like, your keyword is men's watches, someone is searched men watches sales, that means your keyword are available in the search term. Your word, uh, your product or your ads will be show here. Do you understand? One second, I'm just going to keep the example more betterly.
While we're searching, I displayed a question from Kim Hello ASI. She said, "So these are shopping ads, right? How are strategies different versus search results ads?"
uh, I didn't mention the search, like, can you please repeat the question again? Shopping or search?
Yes. She said, "So these are shopping ads, right? How are
Mhm.
strategies different
This is the
versus..."
this is not shopping ad. This is search ad. This is the
Okay.
search term and search ad. For the shopping ads, we need to discuss merchant center first. Then I can explain more how shopping ads work.
Okay.
I'm just briefing the Google ads how they work, what the terms need to clarify before thinking about the Google ads. Do you understand? So I'm just showing here how the keywords work. So I mentioned here three type of keywords. One is the broad mesh, phrase mesh, and exact mesh. So broad mesh, whenever you use the any term of them, then broad mesh will you will show here. But for the phrase mesh, if someone like my keyword is the men watches, so men watches in USA. If we use this word, then our ads will be show here. But also if we use best man us in USA, best man black, sorry, best man black watches in USA, also they will show the product like best men's black watches in USA. Also this ad will work for the keywords, because you will notice that our keyword is phrase mesh, men's are available here, also watches are also available here. That means two words are available here. If we use anything use but our keyword are available in the sentence, then product will be show for the keyword, or the service or the ads will be show for the keyword. This is called phrase based keyword. I always suggest to use the phrase based keyword for increasing the conversion of any campaigns. Another is the exactness. Exactness, what is the exactness? By the third bracket, we can confirm the, sorry, we can identify the exactness. Exactness means whenever you use same keyword, exact same keyword, then they will see the product. That means men's watches. This will be the exact right from the audience. Then product will be watches. This is very exact mess is not as perfect for running ads, because all of the audience are not sometimes type the same type of keyword. But as a new brand business, new business, I suggest exact mess, because the cost will be the reduced for the exact mess, but traffic will be not higher on the exact mess. So I always suggest to use phrase mess keyword on the search camping. That will be the more better for running the camping. There is another two part. One is the broad match modifiers. Those are not working at this moment. We do not need to think, but I just telling plus broad. That means broad mesh keyword plus phrase mesh keywords, also modifier. Those are combination of three types of keywords here: navigational, broad mesh, phrase mesh, exact mesh. Mm, like I'm just going to give an example. And why? That means NY means Newark, right? Newark. So whenever you search by the NY and your keyword is Newark, Newark. Okay. So your keyword is Newark, but someone has searched by the NY. So Google understand that he's searching for Newark. So you can also use the NY for the Newark. Like I am from Bangladesh, BD. So if someone searches by BD, your keyword is Bangladesh. Also Bangladesh keyword, for the Bangladesh keyword BD will be visible. Okay. So for the, so here's the bidding strategy. So today I'm skipping the bidding strategy. This is also big things we need to discuss. So uh, I'm just going to show you Google search campaign. Okay, today in the topic there was a mentioned thing that we will run a performance max camping, though class length already 50 minutes. So I'm just going to run a camping performance max camping today, and showing you how do we need how can we run this. So in the today session, I'm just going to brief the few terms and how Googlers work in the sessions, and I am just going to run a performance max skimping. So next class I will show the bidding strategy and a search skimping, how search skimping work. So step by step I'll complete the Googlers. So I'm just going to run a performance max skimping. So I think this is the Google dashboard. I think you are all of the know about the Google dashboard. So for the landing page, this is the landing page for drills, cutting drills. So for the landing page, I want to run a performance max camping. So how can I run the performance max camping? So for the running the performance max camping, just click on the new camping, and then think what is your object. If your object is website traffic lead generations, then you can select from here website traffic lead generation. If your object is sales, then you can mm, select a sales. So this is basically this is the new website. So we need traffic at this moment. Like fast, you know that for the first 3 or 4 weeks we need to bring the traffic website. After bringing traffic, then we can do the remarketing and understand the audience behavior. So I'm just running the website traffic campings so that we can understand how they are interacting with our product. We are generating right traffics. So clicking on the website traffics. So website, first one is website traffic, second is the goals. What is your conversion goals? So those, this is the e-commerce business type of camping. So our goals will be the purchase, add to carts, or lead generations, or contact us. So I'm just giving the purchase intent here, or purchase goals. So I'm just removing others from here, like contact I'm removing, wing checkout I'm removing. I just give the goals as purchase. Though here is the type of campings: search camping, performance max, display shopping, demand generations, and video campings. This for the YouTube. Search camping I discuss uh, for the search term. Performance max camping, basically this is good for e-commerce business. And shopping camping for only for e-commerce business. So I'm running the Performance Max camping. Basically, Performance Max camping is more smarter than any other camping. This is the combination of 5 to 7 of type of camping. Like here is the, you will understand. You will see that search camping. Performance Max is the combination of search camping. Here is the display camping. Performance Max is the combination of display camping. Here is the shopping camping. Performance Max is the combination of shopping, also video and demand generation. So all of camping smarter version is the Performance Max camping. And there is a good, another good sign is that Performance Max camping has used AI generated tools. What is the AI generated tools? That means whenever Performance Max camping start to work, they will see from where we are generating the highest number of conversions. Then he will focus those type of audience, those type of place, those type of locations for generating the most conversion or most sales for your products. So website performance max, the name, you can customize your name based on your products. Though I'm running the drills, or suppose I'm running the ads for drills, so here I can use the drills word, so that previously next time you can understand this camping for the drills. So continue. Bidding strategy. I will discuss regarding the bidding strategy in the next class, because this is a big topic for discussions. So there is a many type of bidding strategy in the sorry, there is a two type of bidding strategy in the Performance Max. One is the conversion, one is the another is the conversion value. So conversion value, or what is the conversion? That means for conversion is that you just earn number of sale your product. Like it doesn't matter your price, you want to sell your product 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is the 10 conversions. You have sold one product is one conversion, you have sold two product is two conversions. So number of selling products on e-commerce is the conversion, name is conversions. And conversion value, suppose you have sold one product, price is $10, this is the conversion value. You are telling Google that cost my $100, give me $600, $700, $800 cost, sorry, sale. That is the conversion value. So in the initial stage we should not use anything on here. We should not use anything in here, like conversion, because you don't have the sufficient data. Like you don't have the conversion, you don't have the conversion value. So if you use conversion and conversion value data, Google will be confused and will not give you a sufficient result from here. So I just suggest at least for the 5 to 10 conversion. That means you are selling product, you have sold 5 to 10 10 product on Google or the marketplace, then you can move on the conversion on conversion value based on your based on your products or your demand. Okay, so I just click on the next, then select the country or location that you are targeting. So my location is the United States, that I am selling the products. And also here is the language sessions. You can select your language, which language do you want to target. So I always suggest for United States, UK, you select English language, because whenever target multiple language, then it will be confusing by Google. So I suggest to use English language for your locations. For different basis, you can use different basis language for different locations or area geography. Go to the next. Here is the add group name. So we are running that for the drills. Suppose we will create multiple group on a group of ads. So first of all, we running the drills. So here is the, you'll see that listing groups. Here is the all products. So those products are coming from the merchant center. So this is the another thing, merchant center. I also take the class for the merchant center for after a few days. So I enable all of the product on the merchant center. Then merchant center has connected with the Google. Merchant center has connected with the Google Ads account. For this is all of product visible here. So I'm not targeting all of the product. Already is connected all of the product. So I'm just sorting the reels products. So I need to check where is those product. Okay, by ID name I'm just selecting those products. So if I search by drill 100, more than 100 you can select per product. Then what you can do, you can create a supplementary feed file with custom label. Then by this you can select the product. So I think there are almost 5,000 product for the drills, or 5 to 3,000. So it will be very complicated to select all of the product by here. Air account will be the block, already 900 selected. So what I can do, I'm just selecting all of the product at this moment. After that, then I will create a supplementary feed file on Google Merchant Center, and select all of the product that are included in the drill, and run theirs. But at this time it's take at least 1 hour for this. For this reason, I'm just selecting 100 1000 drill at this moment. But I will making sure that all of the drills are included on the site. So here is the drills. You'll see that all of the drills are has connected here. This is not good practice. The good practice is that first of all you just sorted all of the product on the merchant center with the drills category. Then you need to use this here. Okay, here is the final URL link. So you need to use the final URL for your landing page of the drills. So there are also some image sessions. You need to use at least 2 to 3 images. So here are some already suggested images. You can also use them, or you can also use your customized image. That means you will prepare. So first of all, I use the suggested image. One more thing you need to know, for the image session you can use three type of image. One is for banner size, banner, landscape. Another is for like image ratio is 1:91 and to 1 is, this is the image of first image size, landscape. And 1:1, I think, banner size. And another is the 4:5, sorry, 4:5. You can use those three type of image in the Google Earth. First one size is 1:91. Second is the 1:1, and third is the 4:5. 4:5. So you can resize those images before running the ads. Whenever you are not clear, you will see that I select the image automatically from here. Like this one has cut it. This is are perfectly sorted. So you need to must edit your images before running that. So I just use 3 to 5 images here at this moment for running theirs. Previously I will optimize more before running theirs, before whenever I'll do the optimizations of theirs. So here is the logo sessions. So logo is not correct at this moment, so I'm just going to select the logo properly. So this was wrong. That was the right logo. So I'll select the logo. And if you have video, you can include your video. That will be the perfectly shown the YouTube and other content marketing place. And here is the headlines. You can use at least 3 headlines. You will see whenever you click on the view ideas, you will see that here is some also some suggestions. So for headline and description, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the good platform at this moment for generating the ad copy and headlines. So you just give the instruction, give me some headlines for for ads URL. Okay, so one more thing I need to discuss. For in the headline session, you will not use headline more than 30 characters. So here they give us the headlines, so we need to check this. Precious drilling solutions. You need to check those properly before taking any things for your ad copy. So I didn't like them perfect. Those are not perfect. I need to give the instruction again. Give me 100 headline for this URL. This what I like. You can collect this from here. I also check this word by competitors. If I research competitor at this moment, it will take 2 hours or 3 hours more for running the camping. For this reason, I just taking it from the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT give us the idea, but it's not a solution. We need to research competitor, need to research product, need to check our product descriptions, keywords, then we can run the ads. If I see the product meta title, here is the meta description missing. Okay, no problem. Mm, this word can be used. Here is the brand name, also tools. Though is the traffic gets, then we can use this. This word can be also used. Cobra carbide drills. Then go to the cutting tools. I just take 3 or 4 from here. I not use elaborately at this moment. I will check this product description properly, then I'll take the decisions. And we need to use a unique headline, long term headline, that will be the more than 90 character. So I just giving the instruction ChatGPT again, or check from here drills, and this headline we can take. Cobra carbide drills. Quality. Okay, we can use I'm just using only one because I will research more, then I will optimize the camping properly again. We can take also this one. Basically those word I previously written here, and here is the short description. You can use a short description within 60 character. One is the short description for 60 character, another is the long description for at least for highest length, it will be the 90 character. I use them too. And here is the business brand name use, you can use here. And here is the site link. So contact us, I also prepared them previously. Contact us, about us. So I'm just directly using from here. And how to you create, I'm just showing you how to create. Here is the site link. uh, Description on description too, you can use the final URL. First, second, third. First, second, third, then will be the URL. So I created all of them previously. I'm just directly using them. And though our goals is the sales, so here is a call to action button. We can select shop now directly. Then here are also few promotional, if you have the promotional word in your website like 10%, 20% off, then you can directly get the extension here, that for the item URL 10% discount, percent discount, 10% discount, 5% discount, and other things you can check from here. And for the call to actions, like call us, call now, shop now, here is a number, two number we have used. I'm also giving the number because my client told me that here is a number it will display, told me that to give use to use their number as a call extension. For this reason I'm just also using the number as a call extension. And call out, for the call out you can also create the extension from for the website, like call out text. Sometimes for the performance max is not a good practice, so snippet also created. If you want to generate lead, also create lead from here, name, then submit the from email, which information do I want to take, name, first name, last name. You can also create the customize the from based on your suggestion, not the based on your expectation. Then create the give the submission from. So we are not generating lead at this moment. For this reason I skip these sessions. You'll see that ads strength is almost good now. So Google suggests always to make the ad strength almost at 80 to 90%, not more than less than 90%. So ad strength is almost, I think so far it's more than 80%, so you can run that. So here is the search term sessions. So you can use 25 search term based on your product. So I'm not using any search term, I'm using search term from the Google Merchant Center at this moment. So manually I am not adding any search term on the PMax Max Campaign, though I used search term on the Google Merchant Center. So how you have, I have done this for the Merchant Center, I will show it again another day. Your data, so this is the absolutely new website, so I do not have the data, so I cannot do remarketing anything else on here. So after I think 5 to 6 to 1 year work, then we can do the remarketing campaign for any website. But remarketing is the best performer campaign, so I'm not running any remarketing campaign at this moment, so I skip these sessions for the your data. Also the search term, I manage the search term from the Google Merchant Center, and for the remarketing I do not have the sufficient data, so I'm skipping this session at this moment. So if I click on the next, you'll see that Google are showing a budget. So my clients told me that my budget is not more than $10 for the initial stage, so I make it 10, though it's the very poor for as a budget. So I don't have nothing to do at this moment. So whenever you go to the click on the click here, you'll see that Google is checking the errors of the campaign. Then they will show you if there are any errors. They will show you and suggest you fix those issue before running the ads. So they are telling that we are limited in 1,000 product. We cannot include more than 1,000 product ad group. I told you that. So I am just connecting all of the product here. Then I will create a Merchant Center feed file, supplementary feed file for solving the issue only for the drills product. Only for the drills product, then the issue will be fixed. After running the ads, at least for it's will be it need at least 2 to 3 hours for getting the impressions for the Performance Max camping. So I will solve this after the class. So click next. Add audience for faster optimizations. They're suggesting to add audience, but I will not do any do this. There suggest many of things, but everything is not perfect for us. So we'll move forward with our behavior. Mm, Previously, basically on the listing session, I used more than 1,000. For this season, it's already take as a error. So I already fixed this issue, but Google did not understand that I fixed the issue. No worries, I'll refresh it. I think so far by this it will be sorted. Yes, the problem has solved. We are able to run the camping at this moment. So here is the publish camping. You'll see. So if I click on the publish camping, then camping will be live. So our camping has already published but is not live. After creating the camping, is going to the policy checking issue. Then after approval from the policy checking, sometimes take they're mentioning each take 1 to 2 day, but within 1 to 2 hours it already completed. That whenever this session is passed, then we go to the impression session. Whenever impression session come, then click conversion sales session will be the hit. And you can also, I also set up the conversion tracking here, like for the sales add to cart, checkout, that are syncing here. I can also check the data from here, like conversion tracking here properly. Here is the purchase, add to cart, checkout, phone calls, everything has set up properly. And we can check the data from here, like um, here is the CTR, click through rate, click impressions. I also discussed those things on the slide. You can check from here. Average CPA, cost per actions, or cost per acquisition, average targeted ROAS, average target return on ads invest, interaction rating, conversion. That means the purchase, sign up, phone calls, and other things. Here is the information we can check that I have discussed on the sheet. And I just showing my ads are live. uh, Here is the new traffic, website traffic performance max. So I think it's working, and it's already on the policy review issue. So $10. So this is our performance max camping. I also give the sheet to the team, to the chat. You can also check from here. So I think I have done for the today. So SC, can you hear me?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so do you have any question, any suggestion regarding my sessions?
Yes. Right now there's no questions, but let's wait a few minutes. Guys, if you have any questions, clarifications, right now is the best time to send them. All right. So we have one question here.
Sure.
This is from Joar Siman
Hmm.
here. Do you recommend Google Bard 4?
Yeah, I recommend Google Bard is the most advanced tools. Uh, they give you the better keyword, also the ad copies. So I recommend this. This is a good tools for using for Googlers.
Mm, I see. That's nice. Do you have any more questions, guys? We'll be ending our live stream in 2 minutes.
Anyone else? I think you understand my class. Requesting to you watch the video again. Many things will be sorted. In the initial stage, Google
There's
Ads is the complete thing. I think so far.
mhm.
If you try
There's one more
hard to
question.
understand. Sure, sure.
Are we going to talk about conversion tracking?
Mm, what the specific question for the conversion tracking? Can you please mention clearly? Like for the conversion tracking, here is the conversion tracking sessions on the Google Ads. Like based on our behavior of the website and audience on our based on our goals, we just set up the conversion tracking. Though this is the conversion tracking for the e-commerce business, I check the purchases behavior of the audience. For this reason, I created the purchases tag, also add to cart, which people are doing add to cart for, so that for the next time I can use the add to cart audience for my remarketing purposes. Also I use the remarketing like being checkout sessions for checking the behavior of the whose customer want to being checkout for the products. And also I used click on the call. My client told me to use click uh, use the click rate, how we can track the click and other things. And I also, there is a question previously my client has asked, like he want to see the how people are clicking and calling us, like how can see the call data. So if I go to the here is a search button, you will see. So here, right, we need to write pro.
Here's the clear part of conversion tracking. Renan is asking, how did you set up the conversion tracking as well as goals? We want to see how it was set up, he said.
You want to see how to take the conversion, right?
Yeah, that's what he said. You can see your screen. It shows his banner, his
Oh,
question.
sorry.
It's
My
all
screen
right.
wasn't shared.
It's in the
Um,
StreamYard.
okay, I think you can see my screen. Okay, previously, someone of one has told me that he want to see the, like we have used call as a conversion. So how can I see the call as a conversion? So there is a search option on the Google dashboard. Right here, um, predefined reports. Then you will see that here are some uh, performance summary of the conversions. Then you'll see that call details here. So click on the call details, then select the date like 1 to 16, and you will see that here is the call informations, everything. So though we are not generated any call at this moment, for this reason you are not seeing any data, but you will see that call has started. Call duration 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Number you can see, also zip code and country code, seller code, caller recorded data also you can see from everything from here. And the question, another question was that you maybe as mentioned that how can we take the goals as a conversion, right? So based on the service and the service of the product, like if we sell the e-commerce product, then we can take the goal as a sale or check out at the initial stage. So like I created the camping in this setting options. You just go to the goals. Here you will see the goals. So I selected the purchases as a goal. Like here, if you click on the edit sessions, then here are also few like phone calls, direction, contact. You can select all of them based on your business or service. But my goals is the purchase the product or sales the product. For this, then I just use here purchased, and I think by this you can see the conversion of the set the conversion of the goals. And if you want to see the conversion rate, like I ran camping for maybe 1 week for this website. Though this is absolutely new Excel, I've just cost $60 to checking their audience behavior. Good sign is that I there are almost $125 product has being checked out. Five product has being checked out. Two products has add to cart, and there is a smart call has generated from the smart camping. There is a smart camping, that means the customer are interacting with us. So I'm just monitoring the data, then I will take the decisions how we can do more better on the campings. For this season, I'm just not going to moving to the conversion at this moment. So I'm just here created a couple of camping based on the 2 or 3 weeks behavior of the audience. Then I'll set the camping based on the products and how to generate more sales and other things. I think you understand. So any more question?
Do you have any more other questions, guys? All right. Renan got it.
Renan, can you
Renan
please repeat
understood
the
it.
question again?
We have another question. Renan said, how about remarketing?
How can remarketing audience? How can target remarketing audience from marketing? Basically, for the remarketing purpose, we need to through the audience, drive the audience from Google GA4. On the tools and settings sessions, you'll see that there is the audience manager sessions. Whenever you click on the audience manager sessions, you will see that there are some remarketing purposes audience has created. So we can do remarketing whenever the audience number will be the more than 1,000. Without 1,000 1,000 we cannot do the remarketing. So here is the on convert, that means add to cart or checkout and other things has done only 15s. Also, like here is the 10 sessions. Here is all of the remarketing audience. So this is absolutely new site. For this remarketing are not sufficient, and I'm like Google card abandon card. Here is only two audience has abandoned card, and also other things. Though those are the automatically created remarketing tags, but most efficient remarketing tag is the like from the Google Analytics GA4. So I will take another class regarding the GA4. I think by the GA4 class you can understand how can perfectly do remarketing for each audience based on the events and behavior of the audience. I think Renan, you understand. uh, Simon said, based on your experience, what are pros and cons your experience? uh, Pros and cons for the Googlers. For this question, I am not clear what is the pros and cons. But if I told about the advantage and disadvantage of the Googlers, advantage is that we can grow any business by Googlers, and disadvantage is that sometimes for the lower, smaller business and smaller e-commerce business, they are not capable because Google Ads always not perfect for any business. Like for business, for a small business, few last couple of months, like couple of years I work, but I didn't give them sufficient result to elective. This was a business for United States, United Kingdom. We cost more than $5,000, but sales was only $4 or $5,000. Return invest was only 100%. So for this business we cannot grow faster. But uh, it's not happen all of the time. 70 to 80% time businesses grow, but 10 to 20% time sometimes we cannot achieve the result on the from the Googlers. There are also some policy violent issue on the Googlers. Sometimes without any notification they suspend the account, like this. So there are some advantages and disadvantages. Advantage is that we can grow any business on the Google Ads, and disadvantage is that sometimes we cannot uh, do this for the small businesses who has only small budgets. Any more question? Here is a question I maybe missed. Mm, okay, so Kim has asked a question. So those are shopping ads, right? Those are not absolutely shopping ads. I shopping ads. I today I'm not discuss about the shopping as all of the things. Shopping. I will just run. I just run a PMax Max Camping today. PMax Max Camping is the combination of all of camping like display, search, and smart shopping and other things. So strategy is different for the search and shopping. For the search campaign you can give the only search basis result, not displaying any product. This shopping will not work, youtube video will not work, partner side will not work. So search campaign only the search term used for the google ads google, but smart campaign or the performance max campaign will be the combination of all of that type of ads. I don't understand difference between commercial and transactional. Okay, so Kim, give me another question here. So he didn't understand the commercial and transactional. Commercial is that like you using something transactional. First of all, I explain the transactional. Transactional is that you want to sell the product, direct sell the product, buy, shop, purchase. Those are the transactional. Commercial is that you are increasing your brand awareness. How you are increasing your brand awareness? See, this is new product, this is has 20% off, this is has 50% off, this is the advantage of this product, this is more advanced product than others. This is the commercial. Whenever commercial session has in, then it will be start the transactional. In the marketer, what we do first, we introduce the product to the new place, new customer, new audience, then push them, please purchase the product, this is the good than any other else, the price is more cheaper than any other else. This is the difference between commercial and transactional. So commercial is the increasing the brand awareness, increasing the product ratio, increasing the audience is the commercial. Transactional is that whenever they understand the product, sell the product to them. This is the transactional. So commercials say best products. Commercials say best products. I don't understand the question. Okay, while transactional say cheap product. I'm a little bit confused about the question. Can you please clarify again? It will be more sorted to give the answer. Mm, can you mention clarify part of the conversion tracking? Basically, for the conversion tracking, I will take another class so that you can understand betterly. But conversion tracking is a different thing. We need to use Google Tag Manager and GA4 for do the proper conversion tracking. But I can ensure that I have done the conversion tracking here, and you can before running that you can see the conversion tracking from the Google Earth, so that you can run the ads here, and everything is live. If there any issue, then it will not be active. It's no recent data, but it's already checked that data last night. So conversion taking is a different things. We will let you know about the conversion taking. So anything else, Essie?
Looks like that's all of it. Thank you so much, Abdullah. We'll see you again next week for another training. Bye bye.